Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add icons in Figma. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for figma.com, and sign in your account. Once you've done that, just go ahead and click on New Design File, or if you have any file, just go ahead and use that. And then now, once you are here, what you need to do is to click on the right, click on your mouse, click on plugins, and click on find more plugins. Okay, so now just go ahead and search for icon, this one, Iconify. So just go ahead and click on run. Okay, so now just go ahead and search for any icon that you want. Okay, so for example, let's just go ahead and search for heart. As you can see, these are the available icons. So you can just go ahead and go to next page. So there are a lot of hearts that is available in this plugin. Okay, so for example, you want this one. Click on import icon. So now, as you can see, it is now imported right here. You can adjust its size. Okay, so however you want. Okay, so for example, you don't want this one. So to add it again, click on plugins, and here you should see the Iconify option. Okay, so that is how you add icons in Figma. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day!